Okay, here we are at the Torrent Centre in Donaghmore. This is the Donaghmore Farmers Tractor Run in aid of Jailbreak, which is a fundraiser for Donaghmore St Patrick's GAA Club. So Gerard O'Neill and Martin McGuigan decided that it would be a good idea to ask a few tractor men to come and do a tractor run. And, well, what you're going to see now over the course of the next hour or so is how many people responded to that request. They have come from far and wide, from high and low, mostly high, might I say, because I think most of them are from the mountains. And there's vintage tractors, new tractors, and everything in between. You can hear them all in the background. They just keep on coming. You're going to have a look and see just how many tractors are here and how many good people have donated to the cause. So, we'll chat to you later. We're here with one of the main men, one of the culprits, I would actually call him, Gerard O'Neill. Gerard, tell us, why did you decide to unleash this upon the village of Donaghmore?
Well, it's a very popular thing, you know what I mean, at the minute. So there's tractor runs is just one of them things that's took off. That's the last number of years.
It's the new black.
It's just the new get in there, like, you know, and get noticed with your big tractor.
So the Donaghmore farmers, you got a group of boys together, the Donaghmore farmers. Who else?
Martin McGuigan was involved in it, and he says, well, we'll do this here, he says, because we're going to get up a lot of funds for the extension to the community centre. So might as well do it, as you see. It hasn't been no big advertisement or nothing, like, you know, but it's just all of a sudden.
Your mobile number and Martin's mobile number and a
yes, just social media and of course yourself.
Well,
you can't.
There are quite a few tractors around here. Yes. Were you expecting that many?
Not really, no.
Do you know everybody in them tractors?
Most of them. But all of them a lot of money, you see, and I want to hide out of the roads.
Well, look, I'll tell you what. I'll let Gerard get back to the business. Where's your tractor, actually?
The tractor's up there. So it is. My uncle's actually, there's a wee story of that Massey at the gate. My uncle was buried yesterday. He was aged 99 years of age. My father and Uncle Molly and Uncle Pat, they were the first men to get a tractor, purchase a tractor in Donaghmore in 1940s. It was early 40s. And that's Uncle Pat's tractor there at the gate. So.
And that's a 35?
That's the money wouldn't buy that tractor.
Yeah, I'm sure it wouldn't. Who's driving it today?
Nobody's driving, we're just keeping it there. He was only buried there yesterday, so we'll just...
Perfect, we'll have a wee look at that there. And have a wee look at that in a wee minute or two.
So listen, a lot of history behind it.
A lot of history, and what a day.
Yeah.
And listen...
It's all for a good cause too.
It's all for a great cause, and thanks very much for organising.
No problem, Connor.
Better run on and get back busy. Bye-bye. All right, so there we go, that's Gerard O'Neill. The ledge, that is Gerard O'Neill. As you can see, that's Peter Francis O'Neill. He seems to be standing on the roof of that tractor. I'm not sure about health and safety on this, but he's the lead tractor today. So they're beginning to rev up and starting to blurt the engines and get going. Yes, me again. I said I wasn't counting. Well, no doubt we'll find out how many tractors were actually here today. All I can say is it's absolutely mind-blowing. The fact that the men can just, more or less, scrap of paper, bit of social media, and ask people to come along. Everybody that's here today has donated at least £12.50 per entry. Then there's raffle going on, etc., 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 and there'll be quite a few pound raised today for the good cause. So we'll catch you later, and bye.
For a club and all that.
I'll ask you questions. You just chat. Aye, BBE, CBB.
Travel X channel.